everybody, this is Alex. Today we're going to be talking about conditionals. So let's create a grading system here, okay? So I'm going to comment this in here. So if grade is greater than 70, I will give it a B. If the grade is greater than 80, it will be an A. And if the grade is greater than, let's say, 90, it will be an A plus, okay? So let's create this program. First, we need to create a grade variable in here, and we have to set that to a value, but also we can receive that as an input. Let's receive that as an input. Let's do grade gets prompt. So after prompt is received, so the value of the input will be set to grade variable. I am going to create this logical flow that I have commented out in here. So in that case, if grade is greater than 70, I will let's print that letter grade. I will do console.log b. So if grade is greater than 70, it will be a B. Is that correct right now? No, it is not correct, because I want to do this, right? If grade is greater than also 80 and 90, I want to give different grades. In this case, it'll always be B as long as it is greater than 70, whether if it is greater than 80 or not, or greater than 90 or not. So in that case, what I have to use is a couple of if statements. So I have to do if grade is greater than 90, so starting from 90 would be logical in here, and then descending. I will do console.log a plus, and else if grade is greater than 80, I will do console.log a, and then finally else, another else if actually. So if it's less than 70, let's do fail. So if grade is less than 70, it's fail. Okay. So in this grading system, if the grade is less than 70, it's a fail. If the grade is greater than 70 and less than 80, it is a B. If the grade is greater than 80 and less than 90, it's an A, and if it's greater than 90, it's an A plus. So here, let's keep moving. Else if grade is greater than 70, I will console.log B. And finally, else. So in the else case, it means that it is not greater than 90, it is not greater than 80, it is not greater than 70. So in the else case, it is less than 70, and I do console.log fail. Okay, so there we have the program using if, else if, and else statements. What this will do is this will receive an input, a number, and then depending on the value of that number being greater than 90, 80, 70, or not being any of those, which is the else case, it will prompt a letter or the fail prompt basically. So let's test that out. Let's refresh and let's enter 75, and it says B, as you can see. So it works. Let's do 85. That's an A. And let's also try 95. That's an A plus. And let's try fail. That would be 30. And there we go. It says fail. So using the if, else if, and else statements, we have created a program that we can actually use.